there have been a few really impressive studies that have looked at this question in South Asian, African American, Hispanic populations. And I think it's fair to say the broad consensus from those studies is that, generally speaking, the genetic architecture is similar. There are no new genes that jump out as obvious headline hits. This is not a totally different disease in people of different ethnic backgrounds. And that kind of makes intuitive biological sense. It is broadly the same thing clinically, just behaving a bit differently. But what those studies have found is that within each locus, so within genes that are associated with MS, the specific genetic changes that pop out are slightly different between ancestries. And to an extent, that's what we expect, because we all carry slightly different sets of genetic changes, and the frequency of those genetic changes is a bit different between ancestries. But it's really interesting to see. So although it's the same genes that come up, within those genes, it's slightly different letters or slightly different SNPs that are more strongly associated. So that, I think, is the headline so far. Worth saying that those studies have all been on a much smaller scale than the European ancestry studies. And so we just need big studies to work out whether those results hold up in a larger sample.